Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video. Coming up on Umkoka on Monday, actions have consequences. Nomkosi returns to the Mtembu home, but Manzimande wants nothing to do with her. Ndlovu's wives fear Mtembu's wrath. On Tuesday, a mother's wrath. Manzimande's rage erupts as she confronts Mabusi, leaving a chilling forewarning about the future. Kapsile blames Nobuntu for her heartbreak. On Wednesday, a widow's regret. The Mtembus mourn the loss of Kulekani. Manzimande blames Nomkosi for Kulekani's demise, and Nomkosi apologizes to her dead husband. On Thursday, end of an era. Mabusi has to console Numkosi, who feels like she has nothing to live for. No tragedy is big enough for Ndlovu when money is concerned. On Friday, a wolf in sheep's clothing. The proverbial prodigal son is buried. A grieving mother issues a stern warning to a family full. A grieving brother blames himself for his brother's death. Thank you for watching.